Okay, real talk lang tayo ha. Akala kasi ng marami, basta may PhilHealth, okay na. Pero ang totoo, kulang talaga. Yes, PhilHealth helps. Meron itong coverage for hospital bills, confinement, surgery, at outpatient care. But did you know, it only covers a portion, usually 10% to 30% lang ng total bill mo. The rest, sagot mo pa rin. Example, kung may bill kang 100,000, madalas PhilHealth will only covers around 15 to 30,000 lang. So may 70,000 ka pa rin kailangan bayaran out of your pocket. At isa pang problema, marami ng hospital ang nagrereklamo dahil delayed o kulang ang reimbursement ng PhilHealth. Kaya may mga private hospitals na hindi na tumatanggap ng PhilHealth for certain cases. So paano kung dun ka ma-confine? PhilHealth is a good start, pero hindi ito sapat. Ang sakit, hindi naman yan nagpapaschedule, di ba? So wag na nating hintayin yung mga hospital bill na mas malaki pa sa ipon mo bago ka mag-decide to protect your health and your family. Baka makatulong ako sa pagpaplano mo. Click mo lang yung blue basket, lagay mo hospitalization at saka yung age mo. O kaya message mo lang ako para mapagplanuhan natin yung health and life insurance mo.